Hello friends, and welcome again to this sacred space of creativity and self-discovery. As you may probably know, I did this binding in my last video, so I'm gonna link here the episode so you can watch it. And today's video I'm gonna finish, or I'm gonna try to finish, what is going to be the cover of this journal. The amazing thing is that, as you can see here, I use fabric for cross stitch, and it's so perfect that you can open the pages completely. It allows you to work with no interruptions, with no obstacles. So it's really, really cute. And of course, this journal is made out of swatches. So the idea I have for the cover is to have an extra swatch and then glue it on the back of the cover. This is the right thickness that we need, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have glue here, and I'm gonna try to do it there. And let me look in my stash to see if I have, for any chance or by chance, I have another swatch. I just need one last one, so that's gonna be like so, and here. And then once it's dry, I'm gonna trim around so I can have it exactly the perfect shape. Let's do it right now. So this is what I have, and that is what I have. Okay, perfect. So that will be, oh, this will be the cover. I have a little piece popping up from here, and that is going to go on top of the fabric. So if we open this, this is going to be glued in here, and I can always put the cardstock that I cut to cover this on this side, or I can use another swatch to put it here. So now I'm gonna do the back, and I need to look for another swatch. I have this extra swatch that I can use to glue in the back of my back cover. So this is all I have, and I'm going to apply glue. That's gonna be perfect so I can finish my journal. This is what I have, and now it's really nice and sturdy. As you can see, I have a hole there because I was going to use this for another project, but that doesn't matter because I need it today in order to finish this video. So I'm happy to reuse it and show it to you in the complete project. And anyways, this is going to go inside, and that is going to be the outside, the page. So it's going to go that hole is going to be inside here, so it doesn't matter too much. Let me trim this, and let's put it here. Now I am almost ready with the cover, and this is a texture I really like. So now I'm gonna glue this in here. I think the better way to do it is to place the glue on the fabric, not too close to the embroidery thread. And I need to go here. I love this green. This is called Sage Garden. I love the name and the green. It's one of my favorite ones. So I need to go here, and just in case the glue doesn't come out from here, I'm gonna place this cardstock and a clamp. Let me see. I just want to make sure that I have everything in place. Okay, there. I don't think that's gonna trespass. I didn't add like too much glue. Right, so that's the previous presentation. I can always go with more glue here and there. I need to add glue. I really love the result, and I like it very, very much. I haven't seen this before, using swatches and using embroidery thread and cross stitch. I need 2 more clamps to go in here. There. And here. Probably I need 2 more. And just in case, I'm going to have one paper here. We don't want the glue to come out from there into this page. And I'm gonna have another piece of cardstock in here. I'm just gonna cut it like so. Put it here to protect my swatches there. I'm gonna allow this to get dry, and as you can see, I placed a cardstock here so I don't have the glue coming into this page. And also I did the same on the back. And we'll see, because we'll probably need to add some fabric or another cardstock to cover that part. And I'm gonna allow this to dry, and I'll be back soon so I can show you the final result. Now that this is more dry, I'm gonna get rid of the clamps, and I'm gonna show you the result. So I'm taking away this and these, and that's the inside. That will be the back cover, and this is the front cover and the inner part of the front cover. I think that this is really, really amazing. And what I want to do is, I have these leftovers, so I want to change this because it's kind of very thick and not too soft. So what I want to do is, I'm gonna choose one or a couple of these leftovers that I have here. Let me see if I have at least some of the same measurement. Otherwise, I can always add from the original ones. Those are perfect because they're purple and blue that I have on this page. Yeah, I think I have enough here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut to the longest measurement. Blue is a little bit shorter than the rest of the thread, but anyways, I'm gonna use it because it's the perfect match for this page here. So I'm gonna go here. The green one is the one not going, and I'm just gonna go here and put it inside there. This is the final result. I hope you like it, you get inspired. In next episode, I'm gonna be showing you how I'm going to be decorating and doing journaling in this amazing original journal. So stay tuned, and leave me a comment if you like this video and if you get inspiration from here to start your own journal made of swatches. So I see you soon in my next episode. Bye friends. Bye bye. Bye bye friends.